In this video, I'm going to show you how to see a rule of thirds overlay in Photoshop. So let's get going. First off, you're going to go up to your View menu and then go to Show, and then from there go to Grid. And now you get this really confusing looking grid. This isn't what we want. We want rule of thirds, so we need to change it. So then we're going to go to Edit, Preferences, and Guides, Grid, and Slices. Hit that, and we're going to specifically look at this grid section here. So what we need to do is break it into thirds. And in my opinion, the easiest way to do this is to change your inches from inches to percent. So make sure this drop down is at percent. I'm going to make it 100%. Now you'll have hardly any lines at all, but we need 3 because we want our subdivisions to be in thirds, not fourths. So if I change that to 3 now and then hit OK, look at that. I've got a nice rule of thirds grid. And I think this one's a little hard to see, so we can change the color by going back to that Preferences, Guides, Grid, and Slices. And we can change the color by just hitting this drop down. I can go to green and then hit OK. It's a little bit easier to see. So I hope this helped you guys. Now I can change up my layout and make sure that it is as appealing as it can possibly be. And if I want to turn this grid off, I can just go back up to View, Show, Grid, or hit the shortcut, which is kind of awkward, Control plus apostrophe. But I like to just do that. And then I can turn it back on. It will remember that it is a rule of thirds grid. And for next time, it will be all set up. So I hope this helped you guys. If it did, check out my playlist in Photoshop for more like this. And thank you so much for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.